@NCERT video book welcomes you. Today we are going to start Chapter 8 Fair Share. Let's start Chapter 8 Fair Share. Sabnam and Mukta are enjoying their lunch break. Sports Day. Sabnam says, "Do you want chocolates?" Mukta says, "Yes, please." Sabnam says, "You have to share your paratha with me." How do you think they are going to share the chocolate and the paratha equally? It is not fair. You gave me a bigger part. You can see it here. Did I? These are not equal. We will divide the paratha equally. Think about the strategy that you can use to check whether two pieces are equal or not. Let us discuss. 1. How do you share objects equally? 2. Why is Sabnam folding the paratha over itself? You can see it here. I will show you how to do it equally. Okay, if you want to check whether two objects are equal or not, you can put one part over other so that they can overlap each other. If things are overlapped completely and nothing remains, that means both things are equal. This is a whole paratha. Take the paratha that has been cut equally. You can see it here. This has been cut equally. You have to take it. When one whole is shared equally between two people, each share is called a half. Half, half. Similarly, this one is a half and this one is also a half. How many halves make one whole? Check with some halves. Let us do. 1. Circle the shapes where half of the whole is shaded. You can see this is half, this is half, this is half. So you have to circle it. 2. Draw a line to show one half of the whole. You can draw like this or like this or diagonally like this or like this from one corner to another. For simplicity, I am drawing horizontally. Similarly, you can draw a line like this to make half of this sugar cane. Similarly, line like this, or you may draw like this to make it half. Similarly, any of this, any one of this, okay. 3. Sabnam has eaten some chicky from 3 slides. Think how much chicky is left. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 6 into 4. There are 24 parts. Okay. And the things eaten by Sabnam is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 24 can be split into 12 plus 12. That means only half is eaten by Sabnam. So answer will be half. 4. So by coloring half a chicky that has been eaten from two sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 6 into 4. It has 24 parts. You have to color, okay, the things that are remaining, and by removing the chicky from both sides. That means, so by coloring half a chicky that has been eaten from two sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, you can draw like this, 9 and 10. Here 11 and 12. Things that remain will be 12. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means half has been eaten from both sides. That has been colored. 5. Draw lines to show different ways of making a half. You can draw like this. You can draw like this. You can draw like this. Okay. Or you can draw like this. 6. Complete the whole picture by drawing the other half. Let us explore. Take a rectangular sheet of paper and fold it in half. Find all the different ways to make a half. Take a square piece of paper and fold it in half. Find all the different ways to make a half, like this. Let us discuss. There was an old man with two sons, Amit and Bala. He gave a mango tree, a solar lamp, and a woolen blanket to them. He asked them to share these things among themselves. Amit was a cunning man. He told his brother, "Let us share the objects equally. I will keep the fruits, you keep the tree. I will keep the lamp during the night, you can keep it during the day. I will keep the blanket for half the year during winter. You can keep it for half the year during summer." Bala agreed. Is this a fair way of sharing? Is there another way to share it fairly? Let us do. Here are some mangoes. Share them equally between the two children. You can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 mangoes. One can be given to this boy and another to girl. That means 6 minus 2, 4 will remain. Another 2, 2 will remain, and another 2, 0 will remain. That means both children will get 3 mangoes each. Teacher's note: get students to show half with paper folding in different ways. Please refer to the fraction as 1 half and not as 1 out of 2. Half and double. Sabnam says, I have half the number of marbles that you have. Mukta says, I have double the number of marbles that you have. You can see 3 marbles with Sabnam and 6 marble with Mukta. 3 is half of 6, 6 is double of 3. Okay, 6 is equal to 3 plus 3. 3 is half of 6 and 6 is double of 3. Fill in the following blanks using double or half. Sabnam says, in this round I got 4 marbles. Mukta says, I got 8 marbles. That means 4 marbles are half of 8 marbles. 8 marbles are double of 4 marbles. In this round I got 10 marbles. I got only 5 marbles. That means 10 marbles are double of 5 marbles. 5 marbles are half of 10 marbles. I got 12 marbles this time. In this round I got 6 marbles. That means 6 marbles are half of 12. 12 marbles are double of 6 marble. In this round, I got 7 marbles. I got 13 marbles. On a number line, how far is 13 from the double of 7? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Double of 7 is 14 and 13 is just before 14. The gap is 1. 1 less than 14. How far is 5 from half of 14? Half of 14 is 7 and 5 is just 2 before 7. Okay, 5 is 2 less than 7. The answer will be 2 less. Okay. Guess who am I? Use the clues to find the right fraction. Tick the correct box from the given 3 options. 1. I have less than double of 3 marbles. That is less than 6. That is 5, 4, 3, 2 like that. I have more than half of 8 marbles. That is more than half of 8. Half of 8 is 4. That is more than that is 5, 6, 7. 5 is common in both. So answer is 5 marbles. 2. I have less than double of 4 marbles. Double of 4 marbles is 8. Less than 8 is 7, 6, 5, 4 like that. I have more than half of 10 marbles. More than half of 10. Half of 10 is 5. More than 5 is 6, 7, 8, 9 like that. Here in option 6 is there. So 6 is correct answer. If there could be 7, then 7 would have been the correct answer. Okay. When a whole is shared equally among 4 people, each share is called a quarter. You can see a chicky is here. It has 4 parts like this. One part is equal to 1 quarter. Okay, half of half is a quarter. For example, in this, one part is 1 quarter. 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarter and 4 quarter. 4 quarter make a complete or make the whole. 2 quarter means half. Okay, you can take any 2 quarter, that will be half of 1. What part of the chicky did each get? There are 4 children and you can see there is 4 parts. So each children will get 1 quarter. How many quarters in a whole? 4 quarters are there in a whole. Teacher's note. Students may also say 1/4 or half of half. Teacher could encourage various ways of expressing and help them to come up with precise expressions. Let us do 1. Tick the objects that show quarters. Okay, this show quarter and this show quarters. 2. Draw lines to make a quarter of the whole. Okay, you can draw a line like this to make a quarter of whole. First you have to draw half and then make a quarter by doing half of half. This one is a quarter, this one is a quarter. There are 4 quarters. Similarly, in this figure, okay, you can draw 4 quarters like this. Similarly, 4 quarters 4 quarters. You can color 1 quarter and show it here like this. Okay. 3. Draw the remaining 3 quarters and complete the whole. You can draw remaining 3 quarters like this. And you can complete the whole like this. 4. Draw the remaining quarters to complete the whole. Here are 3 quarters and you can draw the fourth one to complete the whole like this. Teacher's note. Discuss how division of a whole into 4 equal parts leads to pieces of quarter size. Get students to show quarters with paper folding in different ways. Let students convince you that what they folded is actually 1 quarter of their paper. Refer to the fraction as 1 quarter and not as 1 out of 4. Half or quarter. Tick the appropriate word to fill the blanks below. Sabnam has colored half a quarter of the birds. You can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 birds are there. Half will be 4 and half will be 2. Sabnam has colored 4 birds, that is half of the birds present. Similarly, Mukta has colored only 2 birds, so a quarter of the birds. Sabnam has colored half double the number of birds that Mukta has colored. You can see Sabnam has colored 4 whereas Mukta has colored 2. 4 is double of 2. Lakshanya and Pihu have 16 flowers each. You can see it here. Here are 16 flowers. 16 is equal to 8 plus 8. Half will be 8. Quarter will be 4. Lakshanya has tied 4 flowers and Pihu has tied 8 flowers. Lakshanya tied half a quarter of the flowers. Lakshanya has tied 4 flowers, so a quarter. Pihu tied half a quarter of her flowers. Pihu had tied 8 flowers, so half of her flowers. Lakshanya tied half double the number of flowers that Pihu tied. Lakshanya had tied half of the flowers that Pihu had tied. Okay. Quarters and whole. 1 quarter, 2 quarters, that is half, 3 quarters, 4 quarters, that is complete whole. Let us do 1. Tick the shapes below that show 3 quarters. You can see 3 quarters, 3 quarters, 3 quarters and 3 quarters here. Out of 4 things, 3 are colored. 2. Color the shapes below to show the fraction as instructed. 2 quarters. Any 2 you can color out of 4. 1 quarter. You can color any of the 4. 3 quarters, you can color 3 out of 4. 4 quarters, that is whole. 3 quarters, you can color 3 out of 4. 1 quarter, you have to color only 1. Okay, like this. 3. Draw lines and color the shapes below to show the fractions as instructed. 2 quarters. First you have to draw 4 quarters like this and you have to color any 2 quarters. 1 quarter, 3 quarters, 4 quarters. 4 quarters means complete whole. 3 quarters, 1 quarter, okay, like this. 4. Here is a rectangle which shows quarters. Discuss how. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 into 4. That means 16 blank spaces. And 16 could be split into 8 and 8. That is half. And then 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So out of 16, 4 are red, 4 are yellow, 4 are purple and 4 are green. That means all colors show 1 quarter. 5. Show quarters and halves in different ways in the grids given below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 5 into 4. There are 20 blank spaces. 20 can be written as 10 plus 10 or 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That means 1 quarter will be 5. To show 1 quarter, you can color any 5. To show half, you can color any 10. You can adopt different ways of doing this. 5 here, that is 1 quarter, and 5 here, that is 2 quarter. 4 here, and 1 here, and 4 here, and 1 here. That will be half. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Similarly, 1, 5 will be 1 quarter, and 10 will be half. That is 4 and 4, 4 and 4, 8, 9 and 10. That will be half. 6. Use the fraction cards from your book to form a whole. Teacher's note. Let the children use the shapes from the perforated sheet given at the back to do the puzzle. Ask generic questions such as how many pieces did you use to make one whole? Superimpose the pieces to see that they are exactly the same. For more videos, you can subscribe NCERT video book. Thank you.